Today I'm going to show you how to do AC crimping. I got the tool right here. It's a hole crimping tool. It's hydraulic. I got my cutter. And you definitely need one of these. You mark your hoses once you put it on the car. Tell I got a mark here. And I got a mark here. It's 2 marks. So all I got to do, I took this hose off the car. I marked them. Line it up. And now you crimp it. A lot of people don't know this, or the hose will tell you what size to use. We got different sizes. So 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter, size 10. All you gotta do is come over here and get the 10. There's one that has 10 RB and one that has no, it just has the number 10 on it. This is reduced barrel. This one's a regular barrel, so we don't have to worry about that. So we're gonna use the regular 10. So now you grab this, put one side here, has 3 little clips, one in the middle. Get that one right in the middle, goes right in there. Next one, same thing on the other side. Falls right in. Next thing you do, you close this. There's a little tricky part here. And now you try to hold it and put the pin through it. This little hose right here, you just line that up. And now you try to get it as center as you can, but make sure you got your hose all the way in. Keep the same lines lining up together. And now you just crimp. Close this and you start pumping. So what you try to do when you put this in, you got a little bit here and a little bit coming out the back. And always try to keep the lines together. And now you crimp. You're gonna feel getting tighter. So what I do when I can't go no more, the last thing I do, I give it one good one. And that's it. You take that off, and there goes your crimp. Right there. Still in the same line, and you're done. Pull it, won't come out. And you're good. Thank you.